Hi everyone, I'm glad you've come to cook with Victoria. Today we'll be making puff pastry. So come along with me and let's make this together. Our puff pastry making will be in two sections. Section 1 will be this butter here and this flour. The butter is very cold and the flour. Then the second section will be using this flour, salt, sugar, lemon juice, or you can use vinegar. Make sure it's white vinegar. Then butter and water. The water is very cold. The measurement of everything I'm using will be in the description box. Please check it out. Now I'm going to pour in my flour and the butter. Then I'm going to use my beater. Now it's ready. So I'll just put it in grease-proof paper and put it in the fridge for about 30 to 40 minutes. If you have the time, it can be for 1 hour. But before I put in the fridge, I'll put it on the parchment paper. Then I press it down to form like a rectangle shape. You can use your rolling pin if you want to, because we are going to roll out our dough in a rectangular shape. And the reason I cut down the butter into pieces is because to make it easier to work with. That's just the only reason. It is ready to go into the fridge for about 30 to 1 hour. And when it is out, it won't be sticky. It's going to be very firm. It won't be sticky to the paper as it is now. Now we are ready for the second segment. I put in my flour. Don't forget to check out the measurements. I put in my sugar, salt, lemon juice, the butter, the cold butter. Then we are using the dough hook because we want to make a dough. Then we are ready to now you can see that it looks like breadcrumbs. So now we'll gradually add the water to it. It has needed for about 4 minutes, 3 to 4 minutes. So now I will take it out and I'll show you. Dust your worktop, put in the dough, put on it the dough, and shape it to rectangular shape and just roll out. So I will just fold it up and wrap it and put it in the fridge for about 1 hour. Off it goes into the fridge. Now I'm going to place the butter on it. Fold it over. So first rolling together. Roll it out. Maintain the rectangle shape. These are first folding. We're going to roll it over and fold over like this. Then I'm going to cover and put in the fridge for another 40 minutes to 1 hour. Second rolling. I'm doing the puff pastry in large quantity because it can be stored in the freezer for about 3 to 6 months. Just make sure it is well packaged, no water in it. Spread it out very well. I'm using the parchment paper to roll it because it's not going to get stuck, but on the work surface it will get stuck, and you have to use more flour. Time to fold. The more times you roll and fold, the more layers you get. Back in the fridge. This is our second time of folding, putting in the fridge. When it comes out, it will be the third time. This is the third time of folding. Just check the layers out. I'm going to be folding it 2 more times, and you will know how it's going to be. Now let me show you. I'm going to cut into proper rectangle shape now. So this is how it looks like after the 5th time. Now I want to egg wash the dough, the puff pastry dough. My oven is already preheated at 170 degrees Celsius, and I'm going to bake for 20 to 25 minutes. When it's 20 minutes, I'm going to check. If it's okay, I bring them out, but if not, I'll bake for 25 minutes. This is the outcome. You can see layers upon layers upon layers. Let me show you how it is. Wow. Layers upon layers. Perfect snack for this festive season. You've got to try this. When it comes to cooking, you just keep on exploring, and as you explore, you discover a lot, and as you discover, you enjoy. Today we have discovered how to make puff pastry right in our own kitchen from the scratch, and you can do a lot of varieties with it. If you like what you've seen so far, why don't you share this video with your friends and family, so that in this festive season they'll be able to use it and enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not yet subscribed by clicking on the subscribe button, and also don't forget the notification bell, as this will allow you to be notified each time I upload new videos. Again, don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section. Till next time, bye.